that. Alright, pocket knife there, don't need that.
Yeah, I got it in. All right, heading out.
Classic Hemming and Jones.
4:30 and 5. Hemming and Joe's motorcycles. Get that. Get something warm. That's when it's nice to have that warm meal, bro. No, I don't think so. Catch up a little bit. Agnew Meadows, right there. Wow. No time to dilly dally. I'm going down already. Behind the ridge. Smoky. Maybe it'll make a good sunset. We'll see. Bottom of this trail is pretty much flat from Agnew. Yeah, I'm not stressing that smoke. So we've been level the whole time up until now. But we are headed up there, Shadowcreek drainage. Right now. See how long it takes us to get up. It's like a 800 or 900 foot boost in less than a mile. So let's keep pressing on. Over the bridge. Better than being under the bridge. Little alpenglow on the valley. Up we go. Looking back towards Mammoth, Agnew Meadow. Keep going. Up there. Quite a ways to go. See if we make it before it gets totally dark. There's the falls right there. Pretty cool. No. Let's go. Shadow Lake. There we go. That picture. All right. Way back there. Up here. Around here. There. Yeah. Past Shadowcreek. Upper outlet. gorgeous up here. Sun's about to go down. Still some light on these peaks up here. Whew. Getting darker. I just keep hearing all these cool things about this lake, so I've finally been wanting to do it for like 2 years. Had a chance to do it. Got a late start. We're almost there. Lake Ediza, or is it Ediza Lake? I never can get that straight. Getting too dark now. Sunlight rays. Right here, dude? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, that's a tippy one. Yeah. There it is. Let's get this look. Still some light in the sky. Whew. I see lights on the opposite side. Same. Might need to do a photo, bro. Wow. I mean, we still got a ways to go before we get around, but we're pretty much on it. You going in? Up here to Ediza Lake, and I think we left it like 5:30. Got up to the lake at 8, and got everything set up. A lot of bugs on the south side of the lake, and I'm gonna pass out. I'm just trying to get a little bit of salt and some critters in the tank. Tomorrow, hopefully take some sunrise photos. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna come to the north side of the lake here to try to get a sunrise. Not a very bad night, not too cold. Couldn't sleep though. It was like way comfy, but just couldn't fall asleep. Look at that. It's coming up. It's about 6:15. That scared me. Wow, the sun's supposed to be up at 6:21, but it feels like it's not going to be up for a while. So I'm going to post up here. Look at this. I'm trying to get to this little spot I want to be at. It's going to be perfect for this photo. Walking along this rocky shore. It's getting close now. The sun is coming up. It's getting a little bit more pink over there. It's going to start hitting that one right up there. Ritter, Banner. There's some pretty good 13ers right there. And then we should hit the Minarets in just a bit. I'm going to hike up to Iceberg Lake. Is like right back in there. We're going to hike up Iceberg Lake in just a little bit, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah! Oh yeah, dude. That's glorious, right?
Ground though.
Lake Ediza. I think I might have. Yeah. Yeah!
So is it 7 yet?
It's gotta be. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Can't say words anymore. Just a word, you know? Maybe say some, like a speakeasy where you just...
So I decided to take a little detour up to Iceberg Lake, and we're gonna see if we can scramble up to Cecil Lake and look down on the Minaretlake. Iceberg Lake. Scurry up here, get up in here, see if we can see some iceberg or some Cecil Lake. Getting up there. Been hiking up Taos Field for like 25 minutes. And we're almost there. At least I'm almost there. A little bit farther to go. There's the drainage to Cecil Lake. Kind of a long way down. See the trail down there a little bit. Hoping to see Another view of the rest of the minarets. Bro, I almost died. Made it up to Cecil. Right under the minarets. There it is. It's Minaretlake down there. Volcanic Ridge is up here. Ritter and Banner over here. And then Clyde Minaret, the big Papa.
Norman Clyde.
Norman Clyde Minaret up there, among others. I don't know them all. I'll get back to you. The side trip is turning out to be longer than the main trip. Here. Yeah! Dude, it's not, it's probably 11. Back around to the beginning of Cecil Lake here. From the overlook of Minaretlake, back down to Iceberg Lake.
South side of it. You know, I had a big loop plan that went up close to the saddle and then it went back.
Going back down to Iceberg, down this scree. All right, last look at Lake Ediza. Pretty cool. Good times, we made it down. Yep, batteries are gonna run out, so that'll be it. Hike on out of here, and that'll just about do it. Pretty awesome spot. Really awesome spot. I gotta come back.